女士们、先生们、朋友们，大家好！受法兰克福书展组委会的邀请，我向大家介绍一下中国出版业的有关情况，以帮助朋友们了解中国出版业。因新冠病毒在全球肆虐，这次发布只好在云上举办。中国新闻出版研究院是中国政府部门所属的出版行业最大的专业智库，主要承担政府及企业决策咨询、出版学术研究、关键出版技术研发、有关出版标准制定与推广等职能，与出版界有着广泛密切的联系。本次发布的报告，其数据来源包括中国新闻出版研究院承担的全国出版统计数据、全国国民阅读调查数据、全国版权产业贡献率调查数据等，是国内外了解中国出版业全面情况的权威一手数据。中国新闻出版研究院已经与一些国家的出版机构、国际出版组织建立了合作与联系，我们也期望与更多的国际出版友人紧密合作，推动世界出版业的发展，助力人类文明进步与互鉴。谢谢各位。
Development and trends of China's publishing industry in the past 5 years. With strong support from the government, China's publishing industry has been growing steadily over the years. Its overall strength and efficiency has been improving, enabling it to better meet the people's intellectual and cultural needs. This report will introduce the development and trends of the printing industry in China in the past 5 years, from publishing industry, book publishing and distribution industry, digital publishing industry, book reading, book rights trade, copyright industry, and the impact of COVID-19. The current situation and development trends of China's publishing industry. This table describes the revenue breakdown of China's publishing industry in 2019. The column charts statistics and development trends of the book publishing industry from 2015 to 2019. This table represents the statistics and trends of book publishing groups from 2015 to 2019. The table shows the statistics and trends of distribution groups from 2015 to 2019. The current situation and development trends of book publishing and distribution industry. On the one hand, the number and print run of new book titles show the downward trend, but the print run per title grew. On the other hand, the number and print run of reprinted book titles showed an upward trend. In recent years, literature book publishing has demonstrated a variety of highlights. A multitude of books that touch upon the frontiers of science and technology and have relatively high academic value and practical value have been published. Over the past few years, children's books have become an impressive segment that bolsters the book publishing market. According to the line chart, we can see the statistics and trends of the book distribution industry. The book sales of Xinhua bookstore system and proprietary distribution units of the publishing houses grew by 1,770 million, an increase of 27.8%. The chart demonstrates the statistics and trends of book retail from 2015 to 2019. This bar chart indicates the comparison between online and offline sales in 2019. The current situation and development trends of the digital publishing industry. In this table, we can see the revenue breakdown of the digital publishing industry in 2018. From 2015 to 2018, the total revenue of the digital publishing industry nearly doubled, with an average annual growth rate of 23.7%. The quality of online literature has improved significantly, becoming more thoughtful and artistic and getting closer to the aesthetics of mainstream literature. Facts and trends of book reading. The share of book readers and the average number of books read have stayed stable in recent years, and a growing proportion of people have opted for digital reading. The survey shows that 59.3% of Chinese adults read a book in any format in 2019. From 2017 to 2019, the share of Chinese adults who read a book in any format grew steadily, and the average number of books read by rural residents increased. A line chart shows the statistics and trends of book reading among Chinese children from 2017 to 2019. In recent years, the proportion of Chinese people listening to audiobooks has been on an increase. Status and trends of book rights trade. Over the past few years, China's publishing industry has continuously strengthened its international communication capabilities. From 2015 to 2019, the number of book rights imported into China first increased and then declined. However, exports of book rights continued to grow. Economic contribution to copyright industry. As we can see, there are some changes in industry value added, workforce in urban areas, and commodity exports. China has taken a series of positive policy initiatives. The copyright industry contributes significantly to the national economy contribution rate. Analysis on the impact of COVID-19 on the publishing industry. The first is online education. The second is online marketing. The third is digital reading. The fourth is 5G networks. The fifth is digital copyright. And finally, the sixth is international communication.